Whoa.
Skid steer out and do something fun.
All right.
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which machine is going to go?
Oh, you want it?
All right, it's Saturday morning, December 4th. We're just gonna do a little vlog activity. All right, Saturday morning, December 4th.
All right, so I got Lumberjack Joe here, and I need these cedar stumps chopped up into like 4 pieces, and hopefully I'll be able to make something out of them. I got an idea, but let's see ones first if they even split like they're supposed to. You ready there, Muscles?
It's been a long time since I split firewood.
Well, that's why I'm giving.
I miss it though, but up north, but we'll see if I can even swing this anymore.
Yeah, well, these are only like 4-inch logs.
Well, let's see how it goes.
All right, I'm standing back.
I need to practice swing. Let's see if I can even aim anymore.
Oh,
first shot wasn't too bad.
not bad.
Oh, dang it.
That'll work.
Shouldn't have tapped that first one. Can you edit that out?
No, I don't edit things like you do. There we go.
Oh, now the big one.
So, wait, how big do you think that one is, Joe?
This?
Yeah.
Probably almost 2 foot across.
Ooh. All right, well, I better stand back then. Hang on. All right, go for it. Whoa. Hey, maybe we should just do a video on splitting wood. Nah.
Yeah, a lot of people make videos on just splitting wood and stacking it.
I don't know, we probably wouldn't get many views on it. Okay.
Honestly, I think it's pretty boring. But it's fun to split every now and then.
Look at that beautiful red.
Weird stuff in there.
All right.
Just like riding a bike.
But now, you want to stack it for me?
Oh, Mrs. K, my back hurts.
Okay, Curtis.
Okay, we both hurt our backs already after 3 pieces.
Oh, workman's comp, Mrs. K.
Wait a minute. Is that on our business or yours, workman's comp?
Oh, shit.
You're good now. You own the property. Let's get the skid steer out and do something fun.
All right.
Right now we're talking. Let's get some machine fun going on here. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Which machine is going to go? Today, pallet forks is on the menu. Shuffling some stuff around the farm that I have been neglecting to do for quite a long time. All right, old girl, you ready? Ready to warm up? Look at her. She thinks she's going to picker paradise. She thinks she's going over to Curtis's 8 acres. That's how quick she warmed up. Oh yes, listen to that sound. Let's have some fun.
All right, so now I know why my back entrance rug looks the way it does.
Had my foot on the gas pedal just a tiny bit. Got the heater on. It was 70 yesterday.
It's cool now. Just a Saturday morning on the farm. Just getting out in fresh air. Sharon's been, she's had a cold for a couple of weeks, so it's nice for her to just get a little fresh air.
Alright, so these cedar logs we put out here in the sun so they could dry about a year ago or so. So we're going to add them to the pile. I'll give you a quick glimpse of some of the projects that Sharon makes out of all these cedar logs. We're looking ahead for a future potential income stream when we can get her to retire. So that's why we're saving up all this barn wood and cedar wood like this.
Not half bad. Got the heat on too. Alright, let's rock and roll. Keep doing some tasks.
Okay, so last year I did a full trail cam review on the Reveal, or the Tacticam Reveal. So this year I've expanded my fleet. Now I have 8 cameras set up. I've got a lot of experience with them. I'm going to do a full review on them because I'm very impressed with them. Matter of fact, I just ordered 2 more, so I'll have 10. But hey, I believe in hunting smarter and not harder, and they could also be used for year-round security cameras also. So stay tuned for that video in the near future. Thanks.
Alright, let's see where how she wants them up here.
Boy, I hope Joe didn't overdo it already this morning. I mean, these are some pretty hefty pieces. See how good I can stack them.
Alright, my first little fix up. I only need maybe a half a bucket. I tried fixing this spot with the SR3 once, and it just needs a little more gravel. That's where I go into the garage with my truck.
Alright, took me a while, but I got it all stacked up. Wow, that stuff was heavy.
Hey, did you stack them?
Huh?
Did you stack them?
Yeah, why?
First of all, they're heavy.
I know! Where were you?
Second of all, that stack actually looks pretty good.
Well, I think so. Look at that.
That looks as good as any of them other channels that stack firewood. I mean, you did pretty good, babe.
Well,
I'm proud.
thanks.
Maybe we should do like a full-length video of just stacking firewood.
You mean of me just putting this in the back of the UTV?
No, I mean like going in the woods and cutting some hardwoods, and then me trying to break my back splitting it.
Oh.
Since we don't have a log splitter. Although we do have a log splitter on the way. I didn't tell you about it, but
No, you didn't.
my mom's handing one down. Because my stepdad, he's gotten to where he can't use it anymore. So we do have a log splitter on the way. I just have to go pick it up.
Oh.
So maybe we could do that. Get some I'll get that log splitter.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, that'll make things easier.
Okay.
All right, let's do a little gravel.
All right.
All right, now our annual or semi-annual driveway patch-ups.
So this is that poplar table, and I had put some coats of sealer on it, and I thought the green would look kind of nice, but no, it reminds me of the color that people turn before they puke. So I ended up, I'm going to sand it all off. It was just a finish on there, I think lacquer. And I'm going to stain the boards first. So hopefully, now these two aren't sanded yet, but when I get them sanded, yeah, they're going to be a darker green, but I'm going to put like a walnut color, something dark, so it should hide most of that green.
See if I can get some of this gravel. It all falls downhill here. Yeah, I got some leaves in it, but it's a lot of good gravel right there.
What are you gonna do with this thing? Pretty interesting. Oh, I thought it was all one piece.
No, that's that grapevine,
Oh, this is the grapevine.
and then the other part's the cedar.
Grapevine and cedar. Interesting. All right, so I was able to peel a lot of this gravel off. This is only midstream, I'm not done. It may not look pretty just because there's dirt in it, but she's graded out pretty good. Definitely lasts another 6 months again. Oh, the cat's life. You getting warm? Our famous kitty. Just ran a quick grade on this. We're ready for winter. I really want to dig some more with the excavator, but since it's gun hunting this weekend, I don't know that it'll matter, but most of them are nocturnal at the moment. But I want to finish this turnaround. I'm going to add to it again. It only makes sense if you look at the shape of it, so I might hop in the excavator. It's just that low spot down there. I can bump it out to this left edge and have a really big area for new equipment this winter. Oh yeah, I already know what I'm getting first for the excavator.